the rules of. Hello my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Rules of. Just listen. Do not give opinions or advice unless you are asked. Do not tell your troubles to others unless you are sure they want to hear. You know, when in others' house, others' home, show them respect, or else do not go there. And this one, you know, if a guest in your house annoys you, I did that. Treat them cruelly and without mercy. Yes. Do not take that which does not belong to you unless it is a burden to the other person, and they cry out to be relieved. And I want to tell this for some people, and it's important. Acknowledge the power of magic. You know, if you have, if you have employed it successfully, if you deny the power of magic after having called upon it, with success, you will lose that power. You will lose everything. You will lose all you have obtained. Do not complain about anything to which you need not subject yourself. Do not harm young children. Do not kill non-human animals unless you are attacked or for your food. When walking in open territory, bother no one. If someone bothers you, ask them to stop, and if they do not stop, then you know what I mean. Yeah. Rules of. I cannot tell what. So, yeah. Dear unique, if you like my video, like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, for supporting me by listening and watching my videos. Thank you. And do not blow out someone else's candle. Okay? To make your one shine brighter. Because you cannot take someone else's place, and also no one can take your place. Focus on yourself. Love you. Bye.